Good morning, everyone. Welcome back on Daily Crypto Plan. It's December 2nd, Monday again. Well, still a strong Bitcoin, and we are in December. So I don't know if we'll have a blow off top in the end of the year or beginning of the next year, but looks similar to 2017. I know a lot of people are looking at the last cycle, but just try to compare it to 2017 and you'll see some confluences there. Okay, let's look at Bitcoin on weekly chart. Morning, everyone. Morning, Shogun. Morning, Hania. Well, Stefan was first this time. Something new. Hania says that the market is strong. Local top will come on. She'll brag about doubles. Well, let's bring that doubles, Hania, and then we can call it a local top. Hey, Bukur. Okay. Now, Bitcoin on weekly chart, you can see what I see here. Yeah, nothing changed from last night when we did the weekly crypto review. Market is strong, still fighting 100k. Could stay here for weeks, yeah. Will be a bad thing? No. That will give some room for altcoins to move. For the moment, on higher time frame, we are fighting 100k. On lower, on daily, we have some something. If we close the candle like this or lower, we'll have an EM in the short reload zone. I'll show you on 4-hour charts in a minute. But keep in mind, we can have a local top here and we can retest some levels below. Look at this bearish divergence here. So weekly really strong, daily not so strong. We have bearish divergence already confirmed, RSI back in the normal area. We don't have clear EMs on OBV yet, but we can form some. So cool your jets kind of idea. We are at that big fat run number, 100k, and we can fight that level violently. I prefer to focus on altcoins, specifically Holy Grail, and if the market will dip, I'll buy the weekly W retest. I think that's the best strategy. Yeah? And that will be my strategy for this week and maybe next week, I don't know, until something will change. If Bitcoin will accept above 100k, well, that will change my perspective a little bit. But for the moment, I think that's the best strategy. Okay, Bitcoin is fighting that level. I'll focus on lower time frame. I'll buy the dip with Holy Grail. And in the same time, if a bigger one will come, that will give me a retest of the weekly Ws. And that will give me a really nice entry. Yeah, I'm still thinking long. I'm still thinking higher, but let's respect that number. Yeah, it's the dream of crypto people in some years ago. So that's on daily. You can see here everything I see. It's possible even to drop like a hammer to 69.73 area. Now looks, well, no, it's not possible. But remember, it's crypto. In 1 week, we can test that level. Not necessarily stay there, just week down, some bad news or something. Fake out and back up. But that will clean everything up. That will clean the beginners from altcoin land. That will clean all the late longers from 69.70k because they have the stop loss higher. Has to be a lot of liquidity in this area, so just watch out for that scenario. And remember, if the market will dump here, it's a buying opportunity, not to sell, not call, well, it's over next cycle. It's not that simple. Okay, that's Bitcoin on daily. Bitcoin dominance on daily, or on weekly if you want. Let's take a look. Well, looks nice. Yeah. Rejecting violently from 60%, getting in the support area. I don't have my EM here, but not even on daily. You can see, not the best one. I was hoping for a bounce or thinking about a bounce and then down, but you can see from my level it's pushing lower and lower. I don't mind. That means that altcoins are outperforming, that some altcoins will double. We'll hit some shots, we'll get in that lock in that free position. That's the target. First target is to get in a free position. If you get there, well, from that point you don't care too much because it's not your money. Okay. That's Bitcoin dominance going in one direction. For how long? I don't know. Look left, you see some support here. So don't think we'll go straight down. Ethereum versus Bitcoin, well, kind of a V bottom here. If it will be a V bottom, so be it. If it will form kind of a inverse head and shoulder, shoulder, head, and another shoulder here, okay. I could be okay with that. But again, don't be bearish on Ethereum from now on. I said it multiple times in this area. Ethereum versus dollar. I don't think any point to go on weekly. We are good on daily. AB, CD still pushing higher. Still some ground to recover against Bitcoin. I think this one could outperform at some point in time. For the moment, uptrend channel pushing higher. You can see this channel, you can split it in two. This is a big channel, this is a smaller channel. Higher highs and higher lows define a uptrend. Simple as that, people. Total market cap. Well, if Bitcoin will correct, this one will correct also. But is anything wrong with the market consolidating this level and then push to the target of AB equals CD? I don't think so. It's healthier than to push straight up. When I see the market going straight up, I'm thinking bluff top. And I don't want to see that now. I want to see that later. I know it's not up to us, but seeing the market pushing higher and consolidating, it's healthy for an uptrend. So I know Moon Boys don't like that. Moon Boys want to up only and up only. Well, it's not possible, sorry. When I'll see that their scenario is playing out, I'll try to lock some profit. I'll try to get out a little bit, maybe to close everything and wait for the next cycle. Not that environment for the moment. We just accepted above 3 trillion. I think we can push higher. Total 2, well, it's in the short reload zone. It's trying to take the high. We'll succeed, but I don't know when. That's the problem. We are still here in the 78.6. And total 3 is trying to do something nice. It's trying to accelerate and push above this 1.1 trillion. We are exactly at 1 trillion. Big, fat, round number. I think it's important, and I think that's why the market is stalling a little bit. But when altcoins will have enough support, altcoins could do really nice things in this market. People know that. People from the old cycles know that. Altcoins could do really good things in a short period of time. In 1 week, you can see altcoins 10x or more. So, AB equals CD in play here. Kind of aggressive, but it's not up to us, it's up to the market. DXY, it's support and resistance, 105, 110. Yes, strong. You can see here, we are strong, we opened higher. Nothing to worry about here. You can see, nothing to worry about. We are just fighting this level. I don't know, we'll accept higher, I think so. We technically made a new high, but I'm waiting for a close. Idea is that we open the candle here above the previous high. So we should call it a higher high or all-time high. And Bitcoin with P-cycle and well, this is it. Why I don't have my ink here? Or this one? Where is my this one? Yeah. So, like I said yesterday, if you remember from or if you watch the weekly crypto review, and this area we should have the top. Will come now in the end of the year. Beginning of the next one, blow off top, possible. Yeah. Compare it to 2017. Let's put it here. Okay. We had consolidation, end of the year. Look what happened here. But I think it's looking similar, but will not be really the same. Institution here, I think we'll have a drop before the end of the year, maybe book some profit. We cannot talk about tax loss selling on crypto anymore, I think, this year. So bullish selling in the end of the year, because they'll buy their position back after the end of the year. They need to book the profit, to brag about it. Well, look at me, I'm the best fund manager. Look at me, I doubled the fund. Yeah, and they will do that with Bitcoin, and after that they'll have to lock in for the next year. They'll buy the dip. We'll see. Well, that's the overview. Pretty short. Not too many things I could say about new things about the market from last night. Here you can see some of them, they are dumping. REN, for example, 7%. That's a buying opportunity here. Getting back in the buy little lady level here. Weekly W. Some of them, they are trying. Look at this one. It's getting closer. You don't want to wait and buy market. I'll say again, you don't want to wait to market to dip and buy at the market. You want to put a limit order. Don't play around. The market could be violent. It could go there, take your level, maybe push even lower. You'll get scared. You'll say, well, I'll wait for a W, and the market will be back up in no time. And you lost the opportunity. So plan and make some limit orders there. Specifically for weekly Ws. I showed you the level yesterday. I think they are pretty nice levels. I will not go over and over again on this list. Really nice levels. On premium, I'm posting these charts and I'm watching myself. I have some alarms. I'll watch it. I'm day in, day out here. When I'll see them at the weekly W, I'll definitely post on premium, and I'll try to give them an advantage. But you can do it yourself. Just see the weekly W, put the limit order there and wait. I know it's hard for some of you. You don't have enough portfolio, not enough free money to invest. If you lock the money there, you don't have enough other money to play around. I know it, but you have to plan and you have to do what you can do. Yeah? That's the market. If you want to get something nice, you should get used to use limit orders and buy dips, not to buy tops here. You see this strong candle, and here you say, well, I'll buy it because it's pumping. Well, it's pumping, but has to retrace, to retest. Don't chase. But usually when you see a candle like this, I'm blabbing away and nobody is listening. With some exceptions. All traders that they know they should wait. But beginners, new people, they don't listen usually. They'll buy the top. But nothing I can do about it. Okay. So that's my overview. Let's go on lower time frame. But before we'll do that, let's look at the calendar. Monday, PMI. Important news in the New York session. Tuesday, job openings. Well, I think it's important. PMI, Wednesday. Our influencer is speaking again at the end of the day. So Wednesday, watch out. Friday, NFP, unemployment rate, Michigan consumer sentiment. Well, we have some news this week. Not the ugliest one, but still could move the market. If you are a scalper, if you are a day trader, maybe you want to stay the fuck out. 50 minutes, half an hour before the news and half an hour after the news. Yeah? You know, dark maul candles, you don't need to see them every day. You just need to have a violent one once every year and could destroy your account. So don't play around with the news. Okay, now let's see what we have here on a lower time frame. Well, I have the similar overview here. I had Tao, made some money, got stopped out here. I posted another entry here. Well, if you locked 1-to-1 here, I think it's okay, acceptable. I posted this one overnight in the premium VIP. You can see it's lagging because Bitcoin is dropping. EOS, who managed to take it? If you remember, we discussed EOS some time ago in premium chat. And look at it, from 50 cents at more than double. And you can get the entire uptrend with Holy Grail. Someone asked yesterday in the X where I should book the profit, where I put my take profit. Well, I don't need a take profit on Holy Grail. I just need a good stop loss. If I have my stop loss here, I'm okay. Yeah. Now, Bitcoin on 4-hour chart. We are short with Shark from last week. Okay. I could see an M here. I hope everyone sees the M here in the short reload zone. It's kind of big, kind of ugly, but it's there. And it's retesting the initial one here. We have bearish divergence. Let's not say bearish divergence. Let's see indicator confirmation with the DCM. You can see if we'll close like this for our chart, we'll close below 50% or 50 line on RSI. MACD histogram, it's going negative. You can see the lower, higher lows on histogram. Even OBV is aiming out here. We can see a drop. I think so. We can see a 7.8.6. I'll definitely play that one. I still have it. It's still in the market. I don't have it on the screen, but I have it in the market. Something like this, people. Something like this. Nothing over complicated. Okay. That's my thinking here. So if the market will drop here, I'll enter long. Well, will stop me out. Well, I have the SFUs and I could play them if I'll see an opportunity. If the market wants lower, well, so be it. That will give me, I'll enter on the higher time frame and will give me some retest on the W's we spoke about. So I think our approach, it's the best. Buy the dip, hedge if you want on Bitcoin, but don't short anything else. I don't want to short altcoins in this environment. I don't even want to think about shorting altcoins. Only buy the dip on them. So that's my thinking. We played really nicely. Hedge here, close 50%, close the hedge at scratch, at least me. If you didn't move your stop at scratch, you still have it. Mountain Man long here, okay, we made some money. We said that we'll play the shark. You can see we are close to 1-to-1. If you reach exactly 1-to-1, you can close 50% from this short and have a free position and the stop loss at the all-time high. You cannot get better than that. Okay? If the market will dump here, we'll take some profit and we'll enter long again. Playing the range game at the top of the market at close to 100k, I don't think it's a bad idea. So just my 2 cents. On the rest of the altcoins, Holy Grail, if it's possible. If Bitcoin will drop violently, we'll break the uptrend, but a new uptrend will form pretty soon. Yeah? And when you see old shitcoin pumping, well, it's their season. I see EOS pumping, I see Ripple pumping. Come on, people. Old shitcoins are doing stuff. Look at this one. Why the fuck I have 150 minutes here? I don't get it. Anyway. Well, look at it. Yeah. Last time we entered here, we got stop loss here. Well, okay, fucking around. And a new uptrend. So it's not only EOS pushing higher. It's not only Ripple. Most of the old shitcoins are pumping. Xlumen did a really nice job. So look here, you can see Binance Futures. Just go on the top, the strongest one, and watch which category is pumping. Look at this one. I will not chase this one here, not even Holy Grail. I will wait for a dip. H bar, look at it. Just look at it. You can make some money. CRV, similar. Stefan said at some point in time CRV is a stable coin. Well, Stefan, your stable coin is moving. But at least it's moving in the right direction. And if you don't like 50-minute chart, well, it's too aggressive. Well, go on fucking 1 hour. Well, that will keep you in the trend longer. That will allow you to do your job, your daily job, and still make some money. Even better than 50-minute chart. Just look at 1 hour uptrends. Yeah? VET, old shitcoin. Look at it. AVAX. Yeah, so there are some uptrends. Someone said about Rose yesterday, if I remember correctly, and I think it was Bochan. Bochan was giving us an entry on Rose yesterday, and look at it, it's pumping. I remember Bochan said, I don't know if in VIP or in Premium, but I remember Bochan saying about this shitcoin. Well, he's right, it's pumping. So a lot of them are looking attractive, they are looking strong. Don't chase, wait with an entry on Holy Grail and play around. Now is the time to play with Holy Grail. Take advantage, you have it, it's a bonus, it's working really nice. Will not take trades for you, but will give you almost everything. Yeah? It cannot get easier than that. Look at the entry, the next entry. You have it here. Well, I should enter long, entry at 1847. Huh? Slim line here. Stop loss at 1739. Well, here. Okay, what's the position size? Well, 92 link. Well, what that means? Well, let's go on the settings. If you go on settings, inputs, for a position size of $100. Okay, so if you'll buy here at the slim line and will hit your stop loss at the tick one, and you took 92 link, and you got stopped out, you'll lose $100. That's the correct way to calculate the position size. Yeah? Let's assume that you have $10,000 portfolio for trading and you want to risk 1% on every trade. Well, 1% is $100. You set that in the Holy Grail and there you go. Every time you get an entry, this table will tell you, well, that's your position size. You just go on Binance, Futures, doesn't matter where you put it. You can do it on spot if you have enough money. Okay, or you can go on Futures, decide to take the position size in crypto, in coins, let's say 92.9 link, and if you'll get stopped out, you'll lose $100. Doesn't get easier than that. Okay, not too many things I could say new from last night, people. I blabbed away for 1 hour and a half last night about weekly W's, retests, and so on. And now I'm just waiting to see what Bitcoin will do here. If Bitcoin will drop, we'll drag everything down. We'll get some stop losses on Holy Grail, but I don't mind that because it's okay to buy the dip. Now I could consider this one. Let's wait and see how this candle will close in 6 minutes. But I could see this one confirming and pushing lower. It's Monday morning. Usually Monday it's a boring day. It's just ranging until traders will wake up and until traders will start putting their position. Usually Monday nobody wants to trade. Nobody wants to be the first to choose the direction. We'll see in the New Year session, maybe we'll have more activity. I noticed that ASEAN session is slowing down, is not pumping as much last couple of days. Maybe we'll move on New York, the volatility will move on New York or even London. So that will be a good thing for us in Europe to get more opportunities. Shogun got his share for last couple of weeks. I think it's our turn. What do you say, Shogun? It's time for us to make some money in London session, or we should stay in? Okay. So, calendar, pretty nice. If you want to join in Capua 1, people, well, people are joining, and I have a limit of 20 people in total. So if you want to book your place, don't wait too long. No? Even yesterday I had 2 people joining Capo 1. They want to take advantage of that offer of premium and below 1000 entry. It's up to you. Yeah? So if you want to join Capo 1 and learn how to trade, that will be a nice thing. Why? You can do your job on investment, because we have last chance challenge. You have access. You can push the pedal to the metal on investment part. It's that kind of environment. And in meantime, you can learn to trade, because this environment will not last forever. In a couple of months, will be gone, and you'll be in a bear market again, or in a ranging market again, and you have to work your ass off to make some money. Yeah? Now it's up only. Now it's easy mode. Everyone it's the best trader. Huh? People are starting to, well, I'll quit my job. I'll become a trader. Okay. Will not last long. You'll come to me and ask me to properly teach you how to trade. Or some people prefer to lose 10, 20, 50, 100k and then come to learn the proper way. Short here with the shark. Let's put here the day trading part. On Ethereum, you can see we don't have the same pattern. Okay, we are strong on Ethereum. We are long from $3,127. The market was here for long, and we blabbed away. Well, look at this one. It's still on the target. I still keep this trade. That's my target. It's a 8.9R. I think it's a good one. I could go on 4-hour chart on some altcoins, but I don't think we'll get too many things. Yeah? You can see the market is too strong. A, B, C, D, and outperforming here. I showed you yesterday my entry on Aevo. The last entry, because I decided to make a new account on KuCoin, and I put some money there. I said, well, let's take a full advantage of this market. And I bought some Aevo at the bottom. Local bottom. I don't know if it's the real bottom. But you can see nothing we can do here. I will not chase this one here. Huh? Either I'll play with Holy Grail, either I'll stay the fuck out. Doge, who took this bot setup, is still in the trade. Dimension, well, is aiming out. Well, if we come back down here in the long reload zone, I'll be more than happy to book a long, but not here. FET, well, everything is about AI again. This one is pumping. We have a double. We got our level 1.1. Now you can see we'll get a double if we put 2.2. I wanted lower. I wanted exactly at $1. Seems like someone said, oh, okay, no, never $1 again. And it's pushing higher. A, B, C, D, it's already exceeded. I'll chase because it's an AI. No, I have a nice bag on spot. I'll keep that one, and that's it. By the way, people, before I'll do anything else, I remember that Bocian posted yesterday on Premium that we have a new launch today in the New York session. So if you think you are fast enough, if you think you are fast shooter, you can participate with me, Bocian, and Premium guys. Yeah, you have to be a Premium member for that. So VIP people, join the New York session, and you know me, I'll play safe. I'll play with 1 Solana. Last time worked really nicely. I'll not be upset making 10 Solana profit in 5 minutes. I'll do it again. I don't know. I'll try my best, and I'll explain my settings on Jupiter and how I play that game. So in the middle of New York session, prepare yourself for another fair launch. Okay. So a lot of altcoins. Well, GOAT. Well, it's a GOAT. It's a meme coin. You think it will go straight up to the moon? Well, not the case. You can see long reload zone. And I don't see W's. Waited for a double here, was a fake out. That's why sometimes it's better to wait for a breakout and a retest. Here was a fake out, clear fake out, no breakout. And until we'll see another W, don't touch this one. We can get the W all the way down here. Look at this initial W at 50 cents, 56. CRV, on what time frame, Dennis? Let's take a look at CRV. I think we have it here, somewhere here. Let's just type it. CRV. Well, I don't know about that, but you can see what I have here. Had a trade, and I need to clean this up. Okay. Well, I don't see weakness. I see market pumping. Where will stop pumping? I don't know. This one, it's beaten up a bit too much and could pump higher. On weekly, no weakness, Dennis. On daily, and look at the indicators. You see any bearish divergence here? I don't see anything. This one could pump higher. Enjoy. I have a short reload zone. Yeah, I have, but also I have some liquidity above this level, and I have some liquidity above these levels also. And I have some liquidity above these levels also. So the real support, the real resistance is at $2, not here. So I could see this one from 70 cents push all the way up, yeah. I'll chase it there for an entry. No, thank you. I'll wait for a retest. I'll wait for a long reload zone. I'm not chasing. But if you have a bag, well, enjoy it. Hands under your ass and wait. Exit on link. Why do you think on exit, Rado, now? I don't get it. Why you should think on exit on link at this point in time? P-cycle top hit the level, give us a sell signal, and even then we should wait a little bit more. I don't even think about exits, Rado. I don't think about exits for the moment. We are still in the buy the dip. Well, where I should think about an exit here. You had long consolidation, fake out here, that was our entry at $5. Nice pump, we sold a double, some people sold a two, okay. We reloaded here, nice double in the long reload zone, you can see it. Okay, it's pushing higher. I don't see any reason to think anything else. But if you want me to give you some levels, some house levels, well, okay. This, when we'll accept above this level. When we'll accept, that will form a monthly W, okay? And that will give me some levels. And I'll put monthly, just 1 month. Okay. Well, you see the targets. This is the first level, 47. This is the second level, 77. And if it's a real market, we'll go above 100. Simple as that. So that's my intention, to do the monthly W's, weekly, monthly W's, big W's, draw the house levels, and you can see confluence with the high. I'm not thinking about selling now, Rado. Well, it's up to you to be a skeptic. You can call it you are a skeptic, you can call it you have PTSD, call it whatever you want. If you ask my opinion, I give you my opinion. I'm thinking about buying at this point on altcoins, and I'm thinking about selling. And I'll give you the target, but I hate people asking in this kind of environment when we are forming monthly W's, where we are forming weekly W's and we are retesting, ask me about targets. You are focusing on the wrong direction, focusing on buying and worry about selling after that. At least you have a point, because you bought this weekly W, I assume. Yeah, $7. Yeah, you bought this consolidation and you want to book some profit. Look what happened last time when we did weekly W's. Pushing higher like we have now. You can see. Looks similar. W's, breakout, retest. W, breakout, retest. And look at the next move. I could see the market here. Of course I could. Well, more than enough. I want to go and trade with the VIP people on the VIP London live stream. See you on VIP if you want, people. We have no limit entries these 2 months. We have an offer December and January. Well, we'll select. People will select themselves. If they manage to stay in VIP and make money, they'll stay and they'll book for the next year also. We decided no limit this time, but we'll limit because in the next 4 days we'll close the registration. We don't want to fuck around in the middle of the month with entries. In December, at the end of the December, in the new year, we don't want to think about registration on VIP. That's why we put December in January. So we want to be able to trade, and in the end of the year to zoom out a little bit, post some trades, and that's it. Yeah, people to make money and people to be able to do their holidays and still make money. Because if I'll post a trade and he will see the alarm, will take the trade and could do his. If we'll put an OCO, doesn't care anymore. Yeah. So registration now this week or in end of January, beginning of February. So up to you if you want to book a place on VIP or you want to book a place on premium. We have 1 year plus 3 months. That offer will expire also in the beginning of this month. It's totally up to you. Okay. That being said, let's call it a live stream. It's Monday, it's boring. If I'll see something nice, I'll post on all the channels. See you guys next time.